First of all, you got this tool right here. You can buy from AutoZone. It is about $5. You put it in the 2-hole. Make sure you hit a clip. Next one, same thing. And then you push it to the left, to the right. On the right side, you push to the right. On the left side, you push to the left. And then you pull it straight out. Come out like that. It's pretty easy if you get it right. If you don't have the tool and try to pry it out, you're gonna have problems. Now once you get everything out, as you see this thing right here, it won't go in because you got that plastic right there. So what I usually do, I'm gonna take a blade and line it up right there at the top right there, and do it about 5 times, and then you can cut it off. Or if you have a Dremel, you can do the same thing. But what I do usually, make it easy for me, after I blade it already, I just pull it straight out like that, and then it's easier to cut. I'm gonna just do it a couple times. Next thing you need to do is you need this model number. It's the 5817. It's made by Metra, 95 5817. You just have to put the screw in here on this one, and then this one, then that's it. This is the right side. I'm gonna have to do the left side later. The screw should be flush. See how it's flush? Yeah. Because if not, this thing ain't gonna work right there. Ain't gonna snap in, I meant. Now when you push it in, if there's something kind of stuck, take this back out right there and take a pry or flathead and pry this thing in a bit, and then everything should be all in. But at the same time, I want to make sure everything works. Now I want to make sure this thing going in. Once the radio works, I should be able to okay with it. Don't like it. Okay, so I'm gonna push it in. I can't do by one hand, so I'm gonna hold on. Okay, once everything done, it should look like that. And change its channel. That's it. Like so.